today's world, AI isn't just about technology, it's about opportunity. With the right AI tools, anyone can start a side hustle from home without spending a single dollar. In this video, I'll show you 7 side hustles you can start with free AI tools in 2025. Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash or someone who wants to explore new opportunities, these side hustles have the potential to change your life. So let's dive in and explore the endless possibilities that AI has to offer. Number 1. Content creation with ChatGPT. The content industry is booming, and with good reason. People are consuming more content than ever before, and businesses are eager to tap into this trend. This is where you come in. With the help of AI, you can start a content creation side hustle without having to write a single word yourself. ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, and so much more. All you need to do is provide the topic or keywords and let ChatGPT work its magic. But how exactly can you monetize this? Well, you can become a freelance writer and offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Or, if you prefer, you can start your own blog or social media page and monetize it through ads or sponsorships. Number 2. Graphic design with Canva AI. If you've ever tried graphic design, you know how challenging it can be. But with Canva AI, the process becomes a whole lot easier. Canva's AI features allow you to generate images, logos, posters, and even presentations with just a few clicks. You don't need to be a designer to use it, and you can create stunning visuals that you can sell on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Alternatively, you could offer your services as a graphic designer on Fiverr or Upwork. 3. Voiceovers with ElevenLabs. Free tier. Voiceovers are in high demand for YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, and more. And with AI-powered voice generators like ElevenLabs, you can create professional-quality narrations without ever stepping foot into a recording studio. ElevenLabs' free tier offers a limited number of free credits each month, which should be enough to get you started. Once you've created your voiceover, you can sell it on platforms like Audio Jungle or Voices.com, or use it to grow your own YouTube channel. Number 4. Video editing with CapCut AI. Video editing is another in-demand skill that you can learn with AI. CapCut's AI tools make editing videos simple and fast. You can use it to remove backgrounds, generate captions, and even edit videos automatically. With these skills, you can offer your services as a video editor on Fiverr or Upwork, or you could grow your own YouTube channel. Number 5. Market research with Perplexity AI. Every business needs insights, and that's where you come in. With AI-powered search engine Perplexity, you can quickly research trends, analyze data, and provide market reports to businesses. You can offer this service on a freelance basis or even start your own market research agency. Number 6. Tutoring with Notion AI. If you're good at a particular subject, you can turn your knowledge into a side hustle with Notion AI. You can create structured guides or study notes that students can purchase. With Notion AI's help, you can organize your thoughts and present them in a way that is easy to understand. Students will love it because you're providing well-organized study material that is powered by AI. Number 7. Social media automation with Buffer plus AI captions. Social media automation is a game-changer for businesses, and with AI-generated captions from Buffer, you can take it to the next level. You can use it to schedule your clients' posts in advance and save time on manual caption writing. Combine this with other free scheduling tools and you've got a powerful side hustle on your hands. So there you have it, 7 side hustles you can start with free AI tools in 2025. Remember, you don't need money to start, you just need the right tools and consistency. Which side hustle will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more guides on AI, tech, and productivity. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy hustling!